you don't know me, my name is Areli, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 super easy ways on how to transform your outfits from day into night with so little steps and so little changes that you are going to love it. Personally, I like these videos a lot because they are very fun to watch but also very useful. So if you like this video, please don't hesitate on subscribing down below if you haven't yet, because I upload videos every single week, so this way you're not gonna miss any. But without further ado, let's check out these 3 ways on how to transform your outfits from day into night.
Nous interrupt this record to bring you a special bulletin.
Transform your outfit from day into night. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, because you help me a lot, and also you don't miss any of the videos I put out every single week. And as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!